Damn car went by. I don't know what it was. Sound terrible, don't it? Probably one of them mail trucks. Mail age truck sounds like that. It's, anyway, back to the lilac bush. Look at my lilac bush. Ain't it pretty? See? Ain't gorgeous? Or yeah, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. It's gorgeous. And I bet you got, it smells so good. Oh. Oh, that smells so good. That's why I grow the lilac bush here. You smell. There didn't used to be nothing here. I put this lilac bush here, and now it's like, I try to keep it trimmed, but last year I didn't trim it. So, boy. Oh, it smells so good.